Hi, in this video let me show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues that you may have with your Epson EcoTank ET-3950 or ET-3958 printer. So every time you encounter such an issue, what I always suggest is that you go on the back of the printer where the power cord is connected and you're gonna unplug it. Stay unplugged during 2 minutes and plug it back. Then turn on your printer, and many times this simple reboot, okay, it's not a reset, it's a reboot, it's a restart, will fix many issues. If you're still having issues, let's go to trick number 2. And for this trick, I would suggest to do the same exact thing, but this time with your Wi-Fi router. So unplug it from the wall outlet, from the power source, and then plug it back. Sometimes the issue is not with your printer, it's with your Wi-Fi router. My next trick is to do a reset of the Wi-Fi module inside of your printer. To do so, over here, I'll press the home button so we all start on the same page. Press a few times on the right side arrow until you highlight settings. Then go down until you get to restore default settings. Press OK. And then you're going to select network settings. Press OK again. Restore network settings to default. We need to select yes. So I'll go to the right and press OK. And then it will be OK, reset it. Now what's left to do for you is to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi network again from the beginning. And fortunately, everything will be fixed. Last thing you can do is to do a full factory reset. And for this, we need to go into the same menu. Settings, go down, restore default settings, then go all the way down and select clear all data and settings. Press OK, select yes, and the factory reset will begin. Thanks for watching. If one of these tricks worked for you, leave a like, but also comment and tell me which one. If you have any other tips, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.